Hello and welcome to CrewConnect TV. We're here with Joanna Sawh from K-Line Shipping. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So Joanna, you will be talking to us here at CrewConnect Global about investment into crewing and training. What are the challenges of justifying this investment? Can you tell us about the ROIs?
Investment in technical aspect in shipping is very tangible. Changing boiler or technical equipment is very obvious, the need for that. In terms of development of the crew, that's very important element of running the vessel, but it's not very tangible from perspective of shareholders. ROIs are very obvious though. The most obvious is growth, development, safe trade, safe vessel, happy crew, happy employees. So these are the benefits of investment. Now transferring it in layman terms to shareholders, that's sometimes the challenge for crewing. I believe we have to be much more vocal and much more present at the table as HR managers, and that's one of the challenges which I would like to discuss during conference.
And on the seafarers side, how could they benefit from a bit more investment?
Yeah. So seafarers want to have good job satisfaction, and one of the very important elements for all the seafarers, there is research which indicates that is personal growth and professional growth, and that comes with technology, with new expectation, new legislations. We must train our seafarers, and this comes at cost, of course, and this guarantees that seafarers will be developing further also into the shore roles.
You must know that we've been talking about women in maritime for a couple of months now. How do you ensure the correct environment for women to come on board?
I think it's great that we have this conversation. It's just an opening, and I think it's great to see more and more women in shipping, in shore roles, but I personally would like to see this being transferred into the seagoing roles. At the moment, women on board constitute about 2% of the worldwide fleet, of the worldwide seafarers, and I think this is way too low number. There are challenges, but we have to be open-minded. We have to create correct environment, meaning allowing female cadets on board and being welcoming and changing the bias. There is still bias. It's not very comfortable to talk about this, but we have to admit it's very masculine environment on board, and shift that paradigm is not easy.
What do you think the challenges are, if I may ask?
I think the mindset. Again, for hundreds of years, women were not present in shipping. So to shift that mindset and to be more open, that generation change, it's happening now. I'm not sure if it's happening fast and wide enough, but that's something we have to talk about, and we also have to carry this message to all levels of management in the companies and organizations.
Joanna, thank you very much for being here with us.
Thank you.